Our next topic is combination of resistances. You can see here the three resistance are connected in series. By definition, we can say the resistances are said to be connected in series when one can move across the single path, along a single path or along a single loop. Here you can see that a voltage V is applied across the combination that will divide it into the three resistances by the amount V1, V2, V3. Since resistance values are different, so voltage drop across the three resistance will be different. Let I is the current that is given out by the battery. In this case, since these are connected in series, the value of the current will be same. So it means the net voltage across the combination is the voltage drop across the each three, sum of the voltage drop across the each three. Now we know that V is equal to IR. So similarly we can write V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2 and V3 is equal to IR3. Putting these values, IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. I say I cancel out, so what we left with R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. It means in series the total resistance will increases. Now coming to the parallel, when the three resistance are connected across the three different paths, or we can say when we have to move across three different paths, then these resistance are said to be connected in parallel. In this current, the voltage applied across the three resistance is same because it is applied across the common ends. But since the value of resistances are different, so value of current will also be different. So accordingly, we can write V is equal to IR. Right? By using this formula, V is equal to I1 R1. So we can calculate here I1 is equal to V by R1. Similarly, I2 is equal to V by R2. Similarly, I3 is equal to V by R3. Since total current is equal to sum of the three currents, so we can write I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So I1 is V upon R1, I2 is V upon R2 plus I3 is V upon R3. So I is equal to 1 so I can also be written as V upon R. So cutting out V or taking common, so we can get 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. That is, net resistance will decreases when we connect it in parallel.